In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from Cash App to Pocket Option. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer any amount of money that you have on your Cash App balance to Pocket Option. Now, for you to initiate this transfer, you will not be able to transfer the money directly. So instead, you have to convert the balance that you have on Cash App to Bitcoin, and after you convert it into Bitcoin, you will be able to deposit it within Pocket Option. So from the home screen of Cash App, switch over to Bitcoin. You will usually find it within the banking page or whenever you tap your local currency. If you cannot use Bitcoin for whatever reason, then sadly you will not be able to transfer money to Pocket Option. When you go inside of Bitcoin, you will see how much you have available inside of Cash App, and if you go over to more details about Bitcoin, you will be able to see the current value. So you will see a graph, you will see the current price, how much you have available in Bitcoin, so your current balance is over here or in your local currency, and you will be able to see if the price is rising, lowering, and so on. First, you will have to buy Bitcoin, so tap the buy option, and you will be able to choose how much you want to spend. You can do a one-time order where you purchase the specific amount once, or you can make it so it repeats monthly, weekly, and so on. Make sure that you choose any of the amount that you want to load into Pocket Option, and you will sort of get the equivalent. So if you choose $20, you will be getting the equivalent of $20 in Pocket Option. After you have Bitcoin on your wallet, you will have to tap this little arrow. So first buy the Bitcoin and then transfer it into Pocket Option. Now, whenever you choose this arrow, you will be able to select Send Bitcoin and choose the amount of Bitcoin that you want to send over to Pocket Option. Now, you will have to include the wallet address from Pocket Option. This is the most important step. Within the Pocket Option website or the Bombo app, click the top up option here and then select Bitcoin. Choose the amount and then continue. You can also go over to this page, select Bitcoin from here, and then specify the amount. So once you include the amount and you click continue, you will be given this, a QR code or this address that you can copy. Now you will have to transfer this specific amount of Bitcoin, so make sure that you note this down and you double check to see if the amount shown here matches the amount either on the app or the website. You copy this wallet address and you paste it within here. Once you paste the address, you can send and confirm the withdrawal to the external wallet from Pocket Option and make this transfer. Make sure that the amount is precise and you will be able to receive it within your balance on Pocket Option. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer money from Cash App to Pocket Option. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.